Hey guys, it's Sean Sullivan from Team Sean and Nick Real Estate here in your West Island of Montreal, back with your December 2023 Montreal market update. The Bank of Canada is set to announce its first interest rate announcement on January 24th, 2024. My prediction is they will hold the current rate. With that being said, let's get into your Montreal December 2023 market update. The total sales on the island of Montreal in December 2023 was 800, down 2% year over year. Active listings were 7,501, up 14% from December 2022. New listings were up only 1% to 948. Let's take a look at our residential market summary. The median price of a single-family home was up 5% from December 2022 to $680,000. Sales, as mentioned before, were 800, down 2%. Let's take a look at the graph here. As you can see, in 2022 at the beginning of the year, sales were up quite substantial compared to the end of the year in 2022. If we look in 2023, when interest rates were quite high, we noticed that at the beginning of the year, there weren't too many sales. So as we can see in May, there was a little shift here as interest rates started to increase. Sales again in 2023 started to decrease. The average price for a condominium on the island of Montreal was up 3% year over year to $446,000. Active listings, as mentioned before, were 7,501, up 14% year over year. Let's take a look at the graph for the active listings. In 2022, we started off with low active listings, and as the rates increased, we started to notice that the active listings started to increase more and more and more all the way to the end of the year. Whereas 2023, we saw the reverse. Active listings were high at the beginning of the year and actually stayed steady throughout the rest of the year. Now, let's take a look at the single-family home market. Sales were 200 in December 2023, down 11% year over year. Active listings in the single-family home market were 1,669, up 8% year over year. The median price of a single-family home on the island of Montreal, as mentioned before, was $680,000. That is up 5% year over year, but down 8% month over month. The average selling time for a single-family home was up 6 days to 67 days. The types of negotiations we're seeing in the market have changed substantially over the last few years. We are now seeing 72% at asking price, 1% over asking price, and about 28% of the sales under asking price. Now, let's take a look at the condo market. Sales were down 3% year over year to 443, while active listings were up 18% to 4,383. The median price of a condo on the island of Montreal was $446,000, up 3% year over year, but down 1% month over month. The average selling time was up 7 days to 75 days. The types of negotiations we're seeing in the market are 3% of condos selling over asking, 78% under asking, while 19% of the sales were under asking. This comes down to affordability in the market. A condo is a little bit more easier to attain than a single family home at the moment with the higher interest rates. Now, let's take a look at the summary table for the Montreal area. That's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Stay tuned to our 2023 Montreal Real Estate Market Review.